This completed obedience is the foundation of every petition that follows in the prayer. Yan po ang unang-una. Christ does not pray as the one hoping to succeed. Again, ulitin ko. Kaya makikita nyo sa panalangin niya, bakit ganun? Bakit parang tapos na? He is not hoping that he will succeed the cross. It is a prayer that no doubt he will be delivered from the cross. Consider it done. So, sinasabi doon, kung babalikan natin yung sinabi ni Jesus, having accomplished the work that you gave me to do. Ano po ba yung work na yon? Diba? The definite article points to a specific assigned commission. Meron na silang plano. Yun nga yun, yung pagliligtas. Assigned to Jesus to fulfill the obligation of the one who sent him. Okay? So, this verse demolishes any notion of uncertain atonement. The work is given, the work is accomplished, the covenant cannot be voided. Okay? So may mga disputes about dyan, about sa work accomplished. Halimbawa tayo. Ngayon, ang ginagawa nating pagpupuri, panalangin, paglilingkod, are these works adding up to what Christ already accomplished? No? If the work is not accomplished, sabi niya, it is finished eh. So if the work is not accomplished, it only means that Christ's atonement is provisional. May kulang pa. Ano tawag pag ikaw ay nasa trabaho, parang 6 months? Parang provisionary lang ba yon? May kailangan pa tayong gawin bago tayo mag-regular sa kaligtasan? Kasi yun yung kaisipan natin, yung ginagawa natin, nagdadagdag at nagbabawa sa kaligtasang ginawa ni Jesus. Ang sabi niya, it is finished. Ganun yung nararamdaman ng puso ko eh. Feeling ko kapag nakagawa ako ng mali, nawawala yun. Nawawala ba yun? Yung pagtaas-taas ko ng kamay dati, hindi ko na yun magawa ngayon kasi nahiyang-hiya ako sa Diyos. It is written before ka pa ipanganak. It is accomplished bago pa man yan gawin ni Jesus. And the security falls because it's the God who did it. It's not you. So, if our final salvation depends on human cooperation, completing what Christ already finished. Verse 4 is false. Ulitin ko, hindi magiging katotohanan sa atin ang verse na yan, ang sinabing panalangin na yan ni Jesus, kung kulang pa ang ginawa ni Jesus. Kailangan ba nating magbigay para yan ay ma-accomplish? Kailangan bang may ipako muli sa krus para yan ay mangyari? It is accomplished. Christ cannot say having accomplished the work if the work remains contingent or dependent on human response. So, yan po ang katotohanan na dapat nating tingnan. No? Hindi po yan patungkol sa ating nararamdaman. Ang katotohanan ay patungkol sa katotohanan ang iyong kaligtasan ay tinapos na. In-accomplish na ng ating Panginoong Jesus. Unless you doubt what Jesus did. Kasi si Jesus, never comes a doubt na mangyayari yan at gagawin niya. Dahil hindi pa man siya pinako, sinabi niya, tapos na. It is finished. We are only waiting to receive the full inheritance of something that's already completed by Jesus. At dapat kang manabik, kapatid. No? Hindi ka kailangan manlupaypay. Living hope nga eh. Kinakanta-kanta mo every Sunday. Pagdating ng Monday, wala wala kang pag-asa sa buhay. Living hope. No? Hindi ka nagkakaroon lang ng pag-asa pag kinakanta mo yan tuwing linggo. Okay? Ang pag-asa mo, ang pag-asa nating lahat, tinapos na ni Jesus. And I hope you see how Jesus intercedes. No? It's sufficient for us. No? Nakikita natin na pinagpe-pray pa lang niya, alam niyang gagawin niya. Kaya tayo pinagpe-pray, Lord, gagawin ko ba to?